This goes to the people who can't break the hymen very well. Um, when you don't break the hymen very well, this causes problem in the society because this creates girls with phobia for sex, and this goes to tarnish some of our reputation. If you know you can't kiss for 2 hours before breaking the hymen, don't do it. Go for those that already break it, that the hymen is already broken. Because when you guys don't break this hymen with cautiousness, they come to hate sex. And this brings us who know how to do it. It brings us a problem to society because they look all the other men as the same. They turn to hate sex. Sex is painful. What? If you don't know how to break the hymen, let it go. Go for the ones that already have broken hymens. What's your problem, nigga? If you don't know how to break hymen, let it be.